Hey everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Chinese Character Bites, the only video blog that really helps you to understand and master Chinese characters one small bite at a time. So in this episode, we're going to be looking at this character, which is pronounced 在 in the fourth tone. Remember that this Z or Z sound is almost like a soft TS sound in English, and it's in the fourth tone, 在. So as you can see, as with many of these videos, the simplified character and traditional character version of this character are the same. So let's have a look at what it means. So normally it means a couple of different things. It can either mean to be in a place or to be at a place. For example, 我在家, I am at home. Or it can mean that you are in the process of doing something. So I talk about this more in some of my parts of my full course, but it's also used in a couple of words. For example, 现在 is a really common word. Now contains this character, and also 存在 would be another example, and this means to exist. And there are many other examples which we could talk about. Okay, so let's break this character down into the components. So the key component, or the radical in this character, is the one which I've underlined, 土. So as you can see, it's on the bottom right-hand side of the character, and this means earth. So as you can see, this is really slightly related to the meaning of to be in a place, the earth idea. And then the other part of the character is actually a component which originally suggested the pronunciation, as it's a little bit like 才, another character. But we don't need to worry about that too much. Just be aware of that the key component of this character is actually 土, earth. That might help you to remember it. So now let's have a look at how to write this character. So grab a pen and paper and copy along with this example. It's got 6 strokes in it. The first one is a horizontal stroke from left to right. Then we've got a diagonal stroke. And then another vertical stroke from top to bottom. And then we've got this radical 土, which means earth or ground. And this is how you write that. 1, 2, 3 strokes in that radical. Okay, so as you can see in Chinese characters, generally you do the left-hand side before the right-hand side, and you generally do the top before you do the bottom. So that's kind of a rough guideline that Chinese characters will follow. So let's try doing this again. 6 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll notice that this component 土, the ground component, it also has 2 horizontal strokes in it, but the one on the top is a bit shorter than the one on the bottom. So that's something you'll need to pay attention to. Okay, so this is how to write 在. If you like this video and you're interested in learning more Chinese, click the link on the screen right now and sign up by putting in your email address, and I'll give you my best tips, resources, and some techniques that I used to learn Chinese. And if you want to find out about my full Chinese courses, you can go to fluentinmandarin.com. And I'll see you next time for another Chinese Character Bite. Bye for now.